What did you want to be as a child?
Harry Mandel. I am a business administration apprentice at Levett Business Services. Back to the Future. All Falls Down, Kanye West. Steak. Rich. Coffee. Suit of speed. Night out. Talk to animals. Oh, see, now you've said this, I feel like I've got to say world peace, but I don't think anyone would actually pick that. So I'll say world peace, but dogs. Neil deGrasse Tyson, Joe Rogan, Stephen Bartlett. I don't know, fourth. Let me try to think. Why has my mind gone blank? Normally I'm quite good at this sort of question. I say Ricky Gervais, that'd do. Sad. Chocolate. My granddad's from Pakistan.